Everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. What I've got here is the Google Pixel Watch 2. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and I'll give you some of my initial impressions on this watch. This one happens to be the matte black case with the Obsidian active band. Now, of course, if you are interested in this watch, I will have it linked below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself or find more information. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So again, this is the Google Pixel Watch 2 with Fitbit. It says Wear OS by Google on that side, Hey Google, and this side just says Google. Now on the back here, I happen to grab the Google Pixel Watch in the matte black case with the Obsidian active band. Let's go ahead and open this up here. There's a little tab here, I'll pull that, and we'll slide this out. So there it is there. We'll have a closer look at the watch there in a moment, but let's see what comes with it. So on this side, it looks like there's a band, an extra band. So there's probably two sizes, a small and a large, so you can adjust it as needed. So that's on that side. And then on this side, it looks like it'll be your charger there. Let's slide that out. So it's USB-C on the one end, and then you've got your charging pad there. It's got 4 little connectors on there for charging. And under here as well, looks like you've got your paperwork and warranty information. And then we'll have a closer look at the watch itself. So there's the watch there. See the coloring, the band. So the band slides through underneath and then clips onto that little knob there. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Hold down the button. While it's doing that, it looks like the smaller strap comes on the Pixel Watch, and this is the bigger one here. Really nice curve to it there. The crown. There's a button there. There's the sensors on the back. The screen looks really vibrant from what I can see so far. So it looks like it wants me to set this up here, so I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back to you with some of my initial thoughts. So I got the Pixel Watch 2 all set up here. I've been using it for about a day or so, and I'm finding it really snappy. It's really easy to go through everything here. It's got that really nice rounded feel to it. Really impressed with it so far. Now, if you do want to access things like your steps or quick start for exercise, it does connect with the Fitbit app on your phone, so you can easily do that. Your heart rate, your sleep timers, etc. That's all here by swiping left and right, and you can adjust the order that these are in. You've got your contacts, weather, etc. all easily accessible. Now, if you do want your notifications, you can swipe up here from the bottom and you'll see your notifications here. And if we swipe down from the top, this is where all of our settings are going to be. It's got Google Pay, it's got a flashlight, airplane mode, etc. all right there. Now from the main screen here, there are 2 buttons here on the side. The first one here at the top, this is going to take you to all of your apps and you can scroll through those, or you can use the crown here on the side to go through them as well. And there is a button right here. You can push the crown in. That's going to take you back out to the main screen. If I push that again, it's going to take us into our apps and we can scroll through those. Lots of cool apps in here. Camera is one of my favorite ones. Find My Phone. Fitbit ECG, that is free to use. You can take your ECG with it. You basically start it and put your finger here and it'll run through that for you. Lots of cool stuff. Flashlight, Google Wallet, Keep Notes, Maps, etc. Messages, phone, it's all in here. Let me show you that one, the camera app. So if I tap on that, it's going to open up the camera here on my Pixel Pro 8, and you can see that it's replaying what's on the screen on my phone right over to the watch. Now, if I take a photo here, I can just tap this to take a photo, or I can set a delay. It's going to take the photo. if I rotate the phone, it rotates it on my watch as well. Really handy feature for remote photography. You can adjust, again, the timers, which camera it's using, front or back, etc. right there. Really handy feature here on the Pixel Watch 2. Now, as I'd mentioned, it does connect to the Fitbit app for all your fitness tracking, as well as there's the Watch app here. So if I open that up, this is where you can change your watch faces and adjust the tiles, so the order when you swipe left and right, where all those apps are. There's notifications, there's your Google account, etc. All of your settings are right in here. Now, if we click on watch faces, you can add new watch faces here, but there's also plenty of other ones you can use, and they're really easy to switch. So you just find the one you like, hit the check mark here, and it'll change it right on the watch that quickly, giving you a whole new style to your watch, just like that. And of course, the watch bands are interchangeable as well. So change the watch band, change the face, and you have a whole new look to your Pixel Watch 2. Really easy to swap that all out. A couple other things I do want to mention is that there's 3 new sensors in this watch over the last one. So it says it has more precise information and up to 40% more accurate for heart rate tracking, especially in vigorous activities. And it's got a 24-hour enhanced battery with always on display. So really handy that way. Now it does have a 306 milliamp hour battery in it. It's lithium ion, and it says it can charge 50% in 30 minutes, 43 minutes is 80%, and 75 minutes is for 100% charge on that. So a nice quick charge on there. I'm really quite impressed with this Pixel Watch 2. It's quick, it's snappy, it's easy to use. I really like the modern look of the watch face there. The band is removable, it's quite comfortable. You can swap that out, change your watch face, and you'll have a whole new look within a few minutes. It's IP68 water resistant, so that's nice and handy. It's got a microphone, it's got a speaker, so you can take calls on it when it's connected to your phone. And I really like that ECG feature here for taking your ECG. And I also really like the camera app that I can take pictures remotely with my Pixel phone. Really handy feature there. I think this is a great little watch, especially if you're an Android user and especially if you're a Pixel user. I think it's a great addition if you're looking for a high-end smartwatch. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Pixel Watch 2. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.